Hello students, standard 7th. Subject is applied English. We have started our unit number 7. We have completed about my dreams, that is about unit number 7. I hope you understand whatever I taught you in the unit number 7, my dreams. Now here we have unit number 8, that is let's party. We all enjoyed in the party of birthday party, friends party, with mothers are enjoying with together kitty party, friends are enjoying together when they are meeting together each other from long time. So today we will learn about, first of all we will see the learning objectives we have, that is in this unit we will learn to invite and accept and refuse invitation. In this chapter we will learn how to invite someone, how to accept the invitation if someone invite us, how to refuse the invitation. Okay, how to refuse the invitation. If someone send you the invitation of party, then how can you refuse it? That we will learn in this chapter. Second objective we have, that is learn to offer food and drinks to guests. Learn to offer what? Food and drinks to guests. આપણે ગેસ્ટ ઘરે આવે તો એમને કેવી રીતે ખાવાનું આપીએ, કેવી રીતે ફૂડ પ્રોવાઈડ કરીએ, તે આપણે શીખીશું આ ચેપ્ટરમાં. કેવી રીતે એમને ખાવાનું આપીએ, કેવી રીતે એમને આપણે ફૂડ ડ્રિંક્સ ઓફર કરીએ, તે આપણે શીખીશું. Then next objective we have, that learn to accept or refuse offers of food or beverage politely. Learn to accept or refuse offer of food. કોઈને ખાવાનું, કોઈ ખાવાનું આપણને આપે છે યા તો કોઈને આપે તો આપણે એવી રીતે કહીને ના પાડીએ પોલાઇટલી, એ પણ આપણે આ ચેપ્ટરમાં શીખીશું આપણે કેવી રીતે એમને કહી શકીએ છીએ. Then learn to compliment people and accept compliment, thanks. Okay, then last objective we have, learn to say words with soft C and hard C sound. Okay, these are the objectives we will learn in this chapter, that learn to invite and accept and refuse invitation, how to offer someone food or drinks, how to accept if someone offer to us food and drinks, or refuse that politely, how to give compliment to the people and thanks compliment also, and how to say words with a hard and soft C sound. We will learn in this chapter. These are the objectives of this chapter number 8, let's party. Okay, now we will see a invite. Getting started, invite. Now look at the picture and see, invite your partner of your events, or your partner will accept or refuse your invitation politely. Now see, these are the pictures here given. That first picture of tent, it is of outside. Second picture, birthday cake is there. Third picture, kitty party, mothers are together. Fourth picture, all children are seeing movie. Then next picture of playing video games, then football. So in this picture you have to invite. See, this activity you have to do by yourself. We will do this activity in live class also. Okay, don't worry. We will do this activity in live class, because in video you cannot understand. We will do at in a live class this activity, that we will use invitation or accept invitation or refuse invitation politely. That we will learn all these things in our live class. Okay, we'll do this activity in our live class. Now we have one example of this, that how to invite someone. Now see, example given that Priya said, "Hi Pradeep, I am holding my birthday party on 15th April at my house. Please do come to my party." Pradeep said, "Sure Priya, thanks for the invitation." Understand? This kind of invitation you have to speak to your friend. So we will do this activity in live class. This is just an example. You can invite your friend that, "Hi Rohan, I'm holding my which party? Birthday party." Or you can arrange any other party that we will enjoy it in our holidays. So please on this day, please do come to my house. Then someone else reply, means your friend reply that, "Sure Priya, sure Rohan, thanks for the invitation." Or if you are not coming, then you can refuse it that, "Sorry Priya, I hope I will be there, but for this reason I cannot come to attend your birthday party." So you can give the reason of not accepting the invitation. Okay. Now here we have gap fill, means activity of blank. You have to listen the track very carefully and you have to blank this. You have to fill up this blank in your textbook also by listening the audio. Okay. So listen to this conversation and fill in the blanks. So here you have the conversation. Nia, Nitya, Riya, Rima, Shreya, all names are given, so all conversations were there. So you have to listen it very carefully and
Listen
fill
to
in the
these
blanks in your
conversations and
textbook
fill in
also.
the
Okay?
blanks.
So listen the track
I
very
think I ate too
carefully.
much.
Okay?
Why don't we go for a walk? My room is so messy. Let's clean it up. I am very hungry.
Let's make a burger.
It's so nice and sunny today.
How about going to the park and playing there?
I am feeling so sleepy.
Why don't you sleep early tonight? You'll feel better.
This place is so scary. Let's get out of here fast.
It's so hot in Alwar. Why don't we go to Shimla for a few days?
Papa has installed a new video game in the computer.
Let's play the game tonight.
Okay, so students, have you completed this activity? Here it's about to fill up the blanks by listening the audio. Only two answers I will give you, others answer you have to write. In second you have said, "My room is too dirty." So the answer, Shreya speak that, "Let's clean it up." Second number answer is, "Let's clean it up." Third number, Karan said, "I am very hungry." So Kishore replied that, "Let's cook burger." Let's cook burger. So next activity you have to do by yourself in your textbook. So please listen the track very carefully. If you are not understanding in once, so listen it twice, thrice. Okay. So do this activity by yourself at home. In your textbook you have to complete the fill up. Fill these blanks. Okay. Now next activity we have in our textbook, that is, we will see that activity number 7 you have, next activity we have, that is B2, choose the correct one. See, now here also you have listening activity, that listen to this conversation. In each conversation an invitation is either accepted or refused. Listen carefully and choose the correct option. So now you will have 7 conversation. You will have 7 conversation, means you have to listen it very carefully, and in the conversation, in each conversation 7 conversations were there. So in each conversation you have like invitation accept કર્યું છે કે invitation refuse કર્યું છે, એ તમારે કરેક્ટ ટિક માર્ક્સ ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં કરવાની છે આફ્ટર લિસનિંગ ધ ઓડિયો. 7 કન્વર્ઝેશન છે, એમાંથી એક્સેપ્ટ કર્યું છે ઇન્વિટેશન કે રિફ્યુઝ કર્યું છે, એ બંનેમાંથી કોઈ પણ એક આન્સર લખવાનો.
Listen to these conversations.
Okay.
In each conversation, an invitation is either accepted or refused. Listen carefully and choose the correct option.
Shall we watch a movie tonight?
Yes, it'll be fun. I'd really love that.
Rohini, let's finish our project this weekend.
Great idea. Let's finish it together.
Garima, would you like to watch a play with me in the evening today? I'm afraid I have to work late into the evening.
Harsha, do you want to come to the party with all of us?
That would be lovely. Thanks.
Mukesh, we are having a get-together on Friday. Would you like to join us? I really want to, but sorry, I have an extra class on Friday.
How about going to the beach on Sunday morning, Nitesh?
What a great idea. It'll be great fun.
Kritika, please come over to my place for lunch tomorrow.
Thank you for the invitation, but sorry I can't come. I have to go to the market with my mother tomorrow.
Here we have the activity. I hope you have completed. You have listened the whole conversation nicely. But let's do this again. That listen to this conversation. In each conversation, an invitation is either accepted or refused. Listen carefully and choose the correct option. So I hope you have completed. But I will also give you the answer of this activity. In first, it is accepted. Second, also accepted. Third, refused. Fourth, also accepted. Fourth, accepted. Fifth, refused. Extra class. 6 also accepted and 7 refused. Okay, like this in textbook also you have to do this activity. I hope you understand this activity very nicely. I hope you learn something, how to accept someone's invitation, how to speak. That if someone say that let's go for the picnic, let's go for the walk, so you can also reply that, oh, that's very great, let's do this. So these kinds of reply you can give to the person who asked or who invites of something for you, like give invitation, right? So this is how you have to do these kinds of activity. Listening activity it is there. So now you have here one speaking and practice also activity, that's invite and respond. Now here you have also video for listening and seeing. That work in pairs, take turns and invite your partner to the given events. Your partner may accept and refuse the invitation. Now this activity we will do in our live class also, or when you will come into school, then also we will do this activity, that work in pair કે એકબીજાને પેર points આપેલા છે કે give necessary details when you invite. If you refuse an invitation, so do that politely, giving a suitable reason for your refusal. તમે કોઈને ઇન્વાઇટ કરો છો તો એના માટે શાના માટે ઇન્વાઇટ કરો છો એ રીઝન પણ આપો. એ રીઝન આપવા માટે તમને પોઈન્ટ આપેલા છે કે લંચ એટ યોર હોમ, બર્થડે પાર્ટી એટ યોર હાઉસ, ટેનિસ મેચ ઇન યોર નેબરહુડ, સ્પોર્ટ્સ કોમ્પ્લેક્સ, ફેમિલી પિકનિક, સ્કૂલ ફિટ. ઓકે, સો આવી રીતે તમે ઇન્વિટેશનના તમે પોઈન્ટ્સ આપેલા છે એને યુઝ કરો અને એની કન્વર્ઝેશન બનાવો, તેથી તમને ખબર પડશે કે તમારે કેવી રીતે બોલવું છે. તમે પહેલાં પણ તમે એક્સેપ્ટ અને રિફ્યુઝની તમે ઇન્વિટેશનની કન્વર્ઝેશન સાંભળી જ લીધી છે. સો from that you can understand how to invite someone, how to give refusal politely to someone, how to speak about your accepting invitation of your friend. So these things you have to listen in head activity also. You have one video how she or he has done the activity. So just understand and see the video. From that you have to learn that how to invite someone. Okay, so see the video very carefully. Okay.
Hi, I'm throwing a party at my house tomorrow evening. I would love both of you to come. Please do attend.
Sure. Thanks for the invitation. When should I be there?
It starts at 6 in the evening.
Oh, I have an appointment with the dentist at that time.
Oh, that's a shame. I wish you could come.
I am really sorry, but I hope you all enjoy.
So students, understand from the video how once a boy accept the invitation, one boy refused, but how he refused, how politely he but have you understand that girl is inviting and she is using very impressive words, very impressive sentences, expression her. So here also we have that grammar interesting language points, that here are some expression used to invite others, accept invitation and refuse invitation. So here we have grammar guides points, so you can use this in your conversation while inviting someone, while invitation accepting someone's and refuse. Invitation આપવું તો કેવી રીતે આપે? For example, I'm throwing a party at my house this evening to celebrate my good performance in the exam. I'm throwing यानी કે ફેંકતી નથી, that means arrangement કર્યું છે, મેં પાર્ટી મૂકી છે. Okay, so that is also one very wonderful impressive expression is given. Do you want to go to, would you be interested in, how about going to Kerala? I'm throwing a party tomorrow and please do attend. Give reasons why you are attending or why you are throwing parties. Give reasons for that. And if someone's invitation, if you want to accept, then how you speak that? Sure, thanks for the invitation. Sure, what time? I would love to, thanks. I would love to come. Thanks. That's very kind of you. Thanks. That sounds lovely. Thank you. What a great deal. What a great idea. Thank you. Sure. When should I be there? Okay. If you invitation accepted, then you can use this expression also. Please note down this expression. This is very important. And refuse if you want to refuse that. Sorry, I have an appointment with the dentist this evening. Sorry, I am not feeling well, so I cannot come. That kind of refusal you can use here also, give an example. So please note down these and use this refusal, accept, invitation, expressions in your talking. Okay, learn these. This chapter is all about these only, that let's party, that means how you are inviting someone, how you accept someone's refusal, how you refuse someone invitation, how you accept someone invitation. That all thing you have to learn, because it is not just for your this standard, it is for your lifetime to learn and to understand and to take these things in your life, in your talking, in your expression. You can use these things. Okay, so this chapter we have half completed, that we have seen the video and the words, this expression also, and I hope you understand this chapter very nicely. Another topic we will discuss in our another session. So I hope you understand the learning objectives, what I have taught, and all the things which we have completed in this video. And please do complete your textbook of applied English by listening the audio and these activities while we are doing in the live class and video also. Okay, please complete your exercise in your textbook with pencil or pen you can use. Okay, so thank you everyone.